Impressive Central Vietnam tour for 4 days and 3 nights will take you to visit the most typical and beautiful places in the central region of Vietnam. This journey brings you to explore Hoi An, Ba Na Hill, Hue, Da Nang. These are the core locations and most attractive destinations in central Vietnam. Our team will welcome and take care of you from Da Nang International Airport, then move to Hoi An Ancient Town and visit the romantic ancient trade town of Hoi An. Next visiting place, we will spend time to explore the famous entertainment area in Southeast Asia, that is Ba Na Hill. Where is a luxury resort and entertainment complex on top of a mountain that looks like a medieval castle with stone walls and modern accommodations. Our trip spent 1 night in Danang, where is a paradise for shopping and take a rest on the most romantic, sandy and windy beaches in central Vietnam. Tours itinerary. Day 1, Danang Arrival, Hoi An. Day 2, Hoi An, Cam Thanh Water Coconut Village. Day 3, Danang, Ba Na Hill, Danang. Day 4, Danang Departure.
Upon arrival in Da Nang, you will be picked up and transferred to the city center. After lunch, you will visit Linh Pagoda and Son Tra Peninsula. Then, you will be transferred to Hoi An Ancient Town to rest. Morning, discover Hoi An Ancient Town. There are plenty to see in this tranquil and delightful town, some of which are the famous Japanese covered bridge, the Chua Ong Pagoda, and the bustling market. We visit these sites on an exciting walking tour past many low-tiled houses scattered along the small streets and assembly halls, which reflect the town's multicultural past. Next, visit Cam Thanh Water Coconut Village. Take a bamboo basket boat ride on the canal to enjoy the fresh nature and fun activities, such as catching crabs and trying rowing the unique boat. You will also learn about the daily life of farmers and fishermen. Day 3, Da Nang, Ba Na Hills 8 a.m. Hotel in Da Nang. Transfer to Ba Na, 35 kilometers, and take cable car, which gains 5 world scores to Ba Na Hill Station, to visit Vong Nguyen Hills, Linh Pagoda, the old villas of French. Continue moving up by cable car to the Nui Chua Mountain, the top of Ba Na Range, visiting Nguyen Phang Thap, Linh Villas, Orchid Garden, Golden Bridge, buffet lunch at restaurant on Ba Na. Afternoon, free for joining games in Fantasy Park, 2 hours. Return to Da Nang City along the Red Beach Bay. Day 04, Da Nang Departure. Finish a memorable trip of Central Vietnam. We wish you enjoyed your trip and hope to see you again. Our Da Nang and Central Vietnam package tours and tour packages to explore the central region. And we always strive to ensure that visitors have the most enjoyable experiences with optimal service in terms of price, quality, and overall value. If you are finding a tour in Da Nang in central Vietnam, you do the connection with us for planning your trip to explore the most beautiful and interesting places in the region, including Da Nang, Hoi An, Hue, My Son, and Phong Ha Ke Bang. We will assess your requirements and then provide the most suitable offers to ensure you have an impressive. To tell us what you want to do in Da Nang and central Vietnam, via email at danang@impresstravel.com or talk directly with travel experts via WhatsApp at +849 123 79189.